Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add an icon in Webflow. So let's get started. To add an icon to your Webflow site, start by opening the Webflow website and logging into your account. The easiest way is to sign in with Google so you can access your dashboard quickly. Once you're on your dashboard, choose the project where you want to add the icon and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select General to open your basic site settings. Scroll down a little until you find the favicon section. This is where you upload the small icon that appears in the Browser tab when someone opens your site. Click the Upload button and choose the icon file you've prepared. It's best to use a PNG or ICO file to make sure it works smoothly across all browsers. After uploading, the icon will be saved automatically. Just remember that favicon updates don't always show instantly because of browser caching. Sometimes it takes a few hours to appear on the live site. If you want to check immediately, open your site in an incognito window or clear your browser cache. And that's all you need to do. Your Webflow site now has a clean, professional-looking icon that helps it stand out in the Browser tab. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.